Yeah. Christian Fernandez TV. That's what it is. Yo. Emotional, yeah? Listen. Look. I swear that I miss you. I must have been a dark day when that bus hit you. I'd hate to be your parents or brother, it affected the most, but we all still miss you. You're my cousin, I didn't even know you, but I've heard stories and I've seen bare photos. It's mad how it's all gone now. All I've got to remember you by is pics and a gravestone. When I think of what happened and what's said, my heart gets ripped out. Gets you vexed in a way and I get pissed off. I can't believe what I only got told and I'm still getting upset. Something quick can change their lives. I'd rather get stabbed like 100 times than lose a family member. Just remember, we all love you deep inside. I pray to God, saying prayers in mind, saying each day that I gotta get by. About carrying guns on road with the youth today, see that it's alright. I'll admit that I've done it at times, but I never did damage. Just threaten with knives, cause threatening guys and bang, there goes the trigger. Best no kids terroring lives. As I pick up my pen and write, bars in on my head, then I get thoughts. He was only 13, what a waste of a life. But now you're in a better place up there. Now you're up there, nothing seems right. It all seems fucked, but you don't realise how much you miss that, and after it's gone, you can't see it clear with your own two eyes. I spent my whole life grinding, borrowing money off mum, cause dad fucked off, and what do you think he provided? No, I spent my whole life fighting a constant battle with my head with myself. Till I started writing, the real talk bars in light, and the way that I feel fuck starting to cry. I remember waiting outside for 3 hours straight and you still didn't turn up. Why? Couldn't you answer me that, Dad? Now you've done what you've done, I don't think I can do that. Leave my wife and kids and family, I'd feel the lose like real talk. I'm growing up so quickly, I had to take my place in the household, real talk. And you make me angry the way that you say life shit, but you have to live on. You chose the path, you've gone down, nobody else could have picked it, so you've brought everything on yourself. How do you feel now? Remember when you laughed at me when I said I'll be MC and look, well, but look what I'm doing, so who's laughing now?